Hello students, today we are going to understand transformation of sentences. So transformation of sentences means changing one form of sentence into another form. We have already understood types of sentences. So today we'll learn how to transform an exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence. You know that an exclamatory sentence make a statement that conveys strong emotion or excitement, and assertive sentence are those sentence which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history or anything. So an exclamatory sentence can be changed to an assertive sentence by bringing the subject to the beginning and using the word very before the descriptive adjective or adverb. So जब आप exclamatory sentence को assertive में convert करेंगे, उसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको subject को sentence के आगे लाना है एंड आपको एडजेक्टिव या एडवर्ब के पहले वर्ड वेरी यूज़ करना है. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस? सो फर्स्टली हाउ और व्हाट प्लस एडजेक्टिव प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब, एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ assertive is subject plus verb plus very and lastly plus adjective. So while converting an exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence, you have to remove how or what, and you need to add very before an adjective. You can see example here. What a sweet girl she is. This is an exclamatory sentence. So bring subject in the beginning, that is she is a, then adjective is sweet girl. So you need to add very before it. She is a very sweet girl. This is how you have to change exclamatory into assertive. Another example, how hard you work. Remove how, bring subject in the beginning of a sentence, that is you, work, then before adjective you need to add very and hard. You work very hard. Vice versa, while converting an assertive into an exclamatory, you need to add how or what in the beginning of sentence. You need to remove very, and directly you need to add adjective plus subject plus verb. If an assertive sentence is she is a very sweet girl, you need to add what, then adjective a sweet girl, then subject she and verb is. And you need to add an exclamation mark because it is an exclamatory sentence. Another transformation is converting an interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence. You already know that interrogative sentences are that sentences which ask a question and a question mark is added at the last of a sentence. An interrogative sentence can be changed to an assertive sentence by bringing the subject and following it with the verb and the rest of the sentence. Also, if the interrogative sentence is negative, the assertive will be positive and vice versa. Like if interrogative sentence is positive, then while changing interrogative into assertive, you need to make an assertive sentence into नेगेटिव। जब भी आपको इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस को असर्टिव में कन्वर्ट करना है, what you need to do is bring subject at the first and then follow the whole sentence. Next is अगर interrogative sentence negative है तो assertive sentence positive होना चाहिए। इसी का उल्टा अगर interrogative sentence positive है तो हमें assertive sentence बनाना है negative. So structure of interrogative is helping verb plus subject plus object, and structure of assertive is subject plus verb plus object. For example, is that the way to talk? This is an interrogative sentence. To convert it into an assertive, you need to bring subject at the first, that, then you need to follow the whole sentence, is. As this example is positive, we need to use not, because we need to convert into negative sentence. This is not the way to talk. And also remove question mark and add a full stop. Who has not heard of Gandhiji? Then everyone has heard of Gandhiji. Interrogative sentence is in negative, so while converting into an assertive will change into positive sentence. And vice versa, when you need to change an assertive into interrogative, do the opposite. For example, this is not the way to talk. This is assertive and negative. So to convert into an interrogative, you need to use auxiliary verb in the beginning of a sentence. Is that the way to talk? So it is in the positive. So remove the negative word. Here explanation of transformation of sentences gets over.